Y'all just stopped by. We on off of Wabash Avenue, West Belvedere. You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna take Ricetown Road all the way down and shit. You know what I mean? It's a little intro. We in Baltimore with it, the ghetto streets. You know what I mean? We got the G outside and shit. Yeah, man. Oh, cat, you hear what I'm telling you, niggas, man? That bitch sitting nice. Parked up real quick on some shit. See if I can grab just a little 10-minute video for y'all, cutting up a little bit. I do have a rough idle and shit right now because I think my mass airflow sensors is a little dirty and shit or something a little clogged up. So I'm gonna probably unclog them bits when I get to the crib. You know what I mean? Let's go and hop in that shit and get up out of here. Them long tube headers be rocking too. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and get this shit cracking. I don't know if y'all felt that little hesitation that just did just now. But just hesitated, you know what I mean? Y'all feel that shit? That shit is rough idling like shit. I'm not gonna lie. Shit, idling rough as shit. Yeah, man. I just had to come drop off some papers, come drop off some money real quick. This shit, not nothing crazy. Go ahead and get the fuck up off this screen. Put y'all on my temperature screen and shit. You feel me? I got the hardest G in town. I gotta be careful though. This Baltimore, I see these roads right here. Damn. Y'all feel me? I gotta be careful with these roads. Shit just scraped up like shit. God damn. My other mechanic in there. I gotta be careful on these roads. I do not bring my G to the city for a reason, bro. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna hold off for a little bit, get closer to the county before I really hit this motherfucker. Man, over at the Federales, nah. Man. I might go on 19-inch wheels so I can be able to come downtown and do shit like this. I ain't looking. I'm trying to tell you, they don't be seeing shit like this in the city, man. I don't be seeing shit like this in the city. They don't be seeing shit like this. It's probably sometimes, man. Sometimes, and I don't be down here like that for real. I'll be out the way. You know what I'm telling you, nigga. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend. This is the video after the whole long tube header video. So every video after this is me with long tube headers. Believe it or not, y'all, I have not been retuned ever since my first tune. So my first tune, make sure y'all can see, my first tune, all I had was test pipe, Burke test pipes, Megan Racing Y pipe, Z1 intakes. That's it. The rest of the exhaust was stock except for a muffler delete. That's all I had. And then I got the full 3-inch catback custom exhaust that I put together myself. And then now I got long tube headers and I still haven't got retuned. So I know that retune gonna make a big difference after I retune it, but I'm gonna wait until I get the 3-inch intakes. So I was thinking about getting them this weekend, but I got my boy Damo coming over higher this weekend as well, just so I can this weekend as well, just so he can check over the maintenance, because there's some small stuff going on with it. Smoking a little bit. I think something, it's a leak with the antifreeze or something like that. So we're smoking a little bit. Not nothing crazy. Rough idling, like I said, and I think I'm about to probably clean that tonight. Just unscrew the mass airflow sensors, spray some brake cleaner on that shit. Yeah, call that shit a day for real. But yeah, man, I know y'all don't want to see me or hear me talking too much, so I'm about to. Let me go ahead and change the dash. Y'all probably want the GTR looking motherfucker. I want that GTR motherfucker. D5. Nifty. Oh. Big shout out to Nifty City. For the dash. I think that shit stopped recording. That nigga stopped looking at me. I think that shit stopped recording because I changed the shit or whatever. That nigga looking at me too. What you looking at, nigga? I'm a fucking actor. Man, stop looking over here.
Oh, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
But yeah, I think it stopped recording because I changed the screen or whatever. He looking. Let's see what the fuck he want to do. He ain't trying to do nothing, man. He really ain't trying to do nothing. So, everybody in Baltimore want to have an LV hat, but that shit funny. As I got one on right now, that shit funny as shit. Baltimore niggas love the fucking LV beanies, man. That shit funny. Everybody mother want a fucking LV beanie. Especially when they get around this blah blah blah. I couldn't wait to put on mine. I got this one. Y'all seen the last one I was wearing. I just got 2 for real. But my older brother, he got like 4 or 5 of them that be rotating for real. Yeah, but I probably shouldn't have took Wrightstown Road, but I mean it's alright. Let's have the lights and shit. Okay. Get a little quick video in for you. I ain't really do nothing. I should turn on traction control a little bit. But I don't want to do too much with these dirty ass mass airflow sensors or this rough ass idle, whatever the fuck going on. I ain't even in flame map too. I ain't really show them shit. That bitch sound good, bro. Like high RPMs, that's when that shit really sound nasty. Like it's nasty in a good way. Like that shit sound nasty. High RPM. But that low RPMs. Ain't don't want no smoke, man. Appreciate you, dummy. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, I told y'all niggas don't be seeing this shit in the city, man. I told you with the LV bean. That's the nigga I was talking about too, with the act motherfucking cool nigga. What you looking at, nigga? Hard as hell. Appreciate you, dummy. All right, man. Appreciate y'all. I didn't really hit that smash. Probably think niggas shooting and shit.
Nigga, please.
Man, I ain't really doggy. I'm ready dogging in a little bit. Y'all see that rough idle? Y'all just missed it. It was just going up and down just now. My fucking power steering fluid is screaming like a bitch. I should go in flame map and really show these niggas, but I'm gonna chill out. My bitch just echoed out the motherfucking out the buildings. I love when they echo out the buildings, man. Alright, nigga, we in and out. Ooh, I don't like being on the right side. I should have did that. Hurry up, hurry up. Damn. This bitch really banging. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this shit low-key got faster cause I be having to let off. I don't be wanting to spin out, you know, I'm on traction control off and shit. Hey yo. Let me chill out before these roads, man. Feds. I don't know where the feds at. They might be sitting, man. And these roads getting a little better, man. They getting a little better. We going towards Pikesville and shit, going toward the county now. Oh. Yeah, that's rough idle blowing the shit out of me. I'm about to clean the fuck out this shit when I get to the crib. I might as well record that for y'all too on some quick shit. I hope I got some brake cleaner though. Oh, that's a bump. Alright, no, it's not. Oh, low scrapage. So I'll tell y'all, I don't like be driving my shit, bro. My shit too damn low. I get some 19s, but I got 18s because I heard that they better for racing and shit. That's really why I got 18s. I know it's a bump right there. Yeah, let me go hop on this rail. Alright, I'm sure I really got 18s. But I heard it's better for racing and shit. And it feel like it is, man. I don't know. I'm just talking to y'all. Anyway. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend. Damn. Y'all hear that motherfucker?
Oh my God!
Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend. And yeah, I'm gonna probably give y'all one more pull. A little 20, 40 roll. First two gears, man, that second and fourth gear be moving on shit, man. I ain't gonna lie. Wait till I get these 3-inch intakes, man. Peace.
Thank you. Come again.